Hello and welcome to Campus Fighters, where we chat topics that as students / pag-asa ng bayan must be concerned about.
Absolutely.
Well, for today's episode, we will be talking about the importance on how us as new voters of our country should know the running senatorial candidates kasi hindi tayo dapat basta-basta bumoto, diba? And with that, we invited a special guest speaker who is also one of the running senatorial candidates for this year's election 2025. Huwag na natin itong patagalin. Let's welcome Mr. Bam Aquino.
Ating mga pag-asa ng bayan, good morning, ang ating mga bagong botante.
Yes. So, Sir Balakino, since we are already on the topic of students, we would like to know what are your future plans for improving the educational system? Kasi, yung mga nabasa po kami, one of your plans are libre
That's right, Ino. During my term, nung senador ako, nakapagpasa tayo ng 50 laws.
Wow!
Yes.
Palakpakan!
And alam naman natin, nakafocus tayo sa mga budgeting, such as libre college, para sa inyong mga grade 12 at sa mga susunod pang kabataan. Okay, next.
So, given that we are all attending college na, di ba?
Yes.
So, we all know, not everyone is able to study. So, we would just, that's very long time, we would like to know, how will you ensure quality education in public schools under DepEd?
Yes. Diyan naman mag-i-invest tayo, no? Pagagandahin natin yung foundation ng curriculum and syempre tataasan natin ang sahod ng mga pagduro.
Eh, Sir Bam, paano naman yung regarding sa issue na those students? That's an issue that it sounds good here in the Philippines.
Yes.
Ang issue na to na goes to student ay kailangan talagang matigil dahil ang programming na ito ay paano talaga sa mga grade 10 students nating mga kababayan, na mga bata nasa range ng 14,000 to 22,500 pesos para sa private school, no? Kahit pwede nyo rin i-apply yung voucher na yun. Kasi ang purpose naman talaga nun is to reduce, pababain natin school congestion.
Wow.
So,
Okay, Bam,
yes,
you know what? My mom was struggling to pay for my tuition.
Well, it's very
It's
long
about
time.
program.
Yes, so,
Nabubulsa kasi.
rock pero bilang sa
Ibahin natin.
Yes.
Yeah. Wala pa kayo sa mga So,
So like, I really want to hear this from you, your statement, because you all have seen that most of your platforms in Siguradong Trabaho, we want to know how will you address the issue and employment in our country.
Siguro sa akin, ang aking plataforma ay entrepreneurship, no? Isusuportahan natin ang ating mga small local businesses.
And how about support? What kind of support can we expect from startups and MSMEs?
We need to provide sa access such as funding, mentorship also, and training. Yes.
And how do you encourage entrepreneurship in rural areas?
We should provide incentives, no, sa ating rural areas.
Yes, and I think that is also one of your platforms, right? Siguradong Trabaho.
Yes,
Yes.
trabaho.
Another topic that we would like to, another question that we would like to
abusin na natin
is,
natin.
we would like to know what's your take on the current state of the Philippine politics because it is very rampant, right? Nowadays, there are various news articles that talks about government officials who are going against each other. What was their most recent issue? I think that was the impeachment, right? Impeachment of the vice president, and then now they want to put in prison the previous president of our
Yes.
country. So we would like to know
Your take on that.
Alam mo, Iha, magandang ano yan, magandang concern yan. Kasi parang maging isang politician, ikaw yung model, kumbaga. So
Yes.
kailangan you take the full responsibility. You also take the accountability kung meron ba nagawa na under sa iyo. So yun ang aking saloobin para sa iyo.
Eh, sir, paano naman as a youth, how can we get involved in politics?
Actually, I started in a servant leader, in a public servant leader, and yung the Truth Deployment and Empowerment Act was made to encourage the youth participants and democratic process that the government have the role in public health.
Alam mo, nakakatawa rin si Sir Bamangino kasi nakikita natin pag tayo, nag-stutter din siya katulad natin. Paminsan, pero we can see his professionalism in order to keep up with us. Yes.
Tinatry sagutin talaga yun.
Yes, that's how we see that we are a leader.
Eh, teka lang kasi naisip ko lang, since Mr. Bangkina started as a public servant at a very young age, sabi ko sa inyo that naman siya. No.
I don't have your arguments anymore kasi you don't understand that's the title natin. So, let's not waste any of future Senator
Yes,
Bamangino's time.
maybe.
So, before we would end this discussion, this beautiful discussion, if you would leave one short message for the youth, Filipino listening, what would it be?
Alam nyo, we'll make this short and simple, no?
Yes.
So, kailangan natin na mas matuto pa, no? We need to be, kailangan natin yung mag-grab yung opportunity to learn from it.
Oh, sir, ang ikli talaga. Parang kami kahit
Oh, the shirt has a limited valuable, di ba?
Yes, short yet, my son.
It sucks, yes. So, thank you so much, no?
So with that, sir, we would like to thank you for sharing your insights. And it is very clear that you really want to provide better opportunities for us as the future of our pag-asa ng bayan,
Yes, sir.
diba? And it is very good na you are focusing on the youth and also to those who are unemployed here in our country,
Yes, yes.
which can not only help our well-beings but also the economic status of our country.
And to be honest, Sir Bamangino, your projects, your books, really helped us a lot.
Oh, thank you.
Speaking as experience from us students, we're about to transition to college, what you did for us and what you're about to do for other people, that's so great, and you really had a significant impact on this country, and we thank you for that.
Yes, bigyan ng
Sir Bamangino, sir.
Iboto,
Yes.
maybe,
Alam nyo na,
Senator. Yes, Senator Bangkino.
So once again, a round of applause for Sir Bamangino.
Thank you so much for watching this episode, and there will be a continuation for this episode where we will be having another special guest speaker. And with that, let's end